In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Make.com with Notion. This process will help you connect the powerful automation capabilities of Make.com with the versatile workspace of Notion, enabling you to optimize your workflow and keep everything seamlessly synchronized. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you'll need to follow. First, open your browser and navigate to Make.com. This platform is your go-to tool for automating tasks and integrating various apps. It serves as the bridge between Notion and other applications, so getting familiar with its interface is crucial. Once you're on the Make.com homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find options to start creating and managing your automated workflows. Next, click on Create Scenario. This action sets the stage for building your integration. Scenarios are essentially workflows that allow you to connect apps and automate tasks based on specified conditions. By clicking here, you're opening the gateway to a wide array of automation possibilities between Notion and Make.com. After this, a new interface will appear. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the app selector. In the search bar, type Notion to quickly locate it among the various applications that Make.com supports. The search functionality is particularly handy if you're working with numerous apps and integrations. Once you've found Notion in the list, click on it. This step is crucial as it establishes Notion as the app you intend to integrate within this scenario. By doing so, you're preparing to set up specific actions that will create synergy between Notion and Make.com. After selecting Notion, you need to choose the specific action you want Make.com to perform. Click on Creates a new item in a database. This action is a typical use case that allows you to automatically add new entries to your Notion databases whenever certain conditions are met. Now you'll see additional options to further specify your scenario. You may need to click on Highlight sections to ensure that all necessary components are activated, ensuring that your integration is set up just the way you want. These sections highlight essential components and settings crucial for your workflow. Next, click on Notion Public. This step is about establishing the correct path of connection between Make.com and your Notion account. It ensures that the integration you are creating is accessible and can interact with your Notion databases as necessary. Finally, you'll need to click on Create a Connection. This is the crucial part where you authorize Make.com to access your Notion data. You might need to log into your Notion account and provide permissions so Make.com can perform the required operations on your behalf. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Make.com with Notion. With this setup, you can now harness the full potential of both platforms, ensuring smooth and automated workflow management. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!